MindGenius is a powerful tool for capturing and organizing ideas and information to manage projects, solve problems, and boost productivity. More and more people are discovering the power and the benefits of mind mapping with MindGenius. But how do you get started? We decided to give you a set of brief videos that show you some MindGenius basics. First, watch a video, then try out for yourself what you just saw in the video. That's how you can quickly start to see the value of this powerful tool for yourself. By the way, we've found there are two main types of people who benefit from MindGenius. People who use it for project management and people who use it for all kinds of other things. So we made two sets of videos. During your trial, we'd love to hear from you. If you have questions or comments, just email our support team. We really hope you can experience for yourself what MindGenius can do for your work life and for the rest of your life.